to Kingdom Radio.
What's going on, friends and fam? We're over here at No Label Brewing in Katy, Texas.
I love my occupation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change
July 18th, that's Thursday, July 18th. We're going to have a Christmas in July celebration, and it's going to be awesome right here at No Label Brewery in Katy, Texas.
Every single day. Every single day.
We're definitely going to be here